I found the easiest way to send any text, image, and video message in WhatsApp to any WhatsApp contact and friends. Just like I click on this contact and I write him proceed to 3 o'clock. That means I am saying him to proceed to 3 o'clock to east. So what I did, just see carefully. Proceed to 3 o'clock. After that, I clicked that arrow button in the right corner. This is the message. This is the general procedure you all know. But I found another way. This is the shortest way. You have to go to settings. You have to go to chats after that. And you have to click this enter each send. In this here, you have to select that was unselected. You have to select that. If you unselect this, if you check in, then this will happen. Then go back. Then you can send any image, text message or video message using your keyboard. You see, this keyboard is now converted to this arrow button like WhatsApp. This is no longer a enter button of the keyboard. This looks like now the WhatsApp arrow button. So what will happen now? Right, proceed to 7 o'clock, and after that I hit that keyboard button. I will now hit that keyboard button and the message will be automatically gone using this keyboard. Hit, so the message is gone. You do not need to hit the, like this is the message. You can hit this also by hitting and sending the message, and now you can hit this also. This keyboard, hit that and this message will go so soon. So this was the easiest process to send any WhatsApp message, video, text message, an image, photo or picture file to your Facebook and WhatsApp contact and friends. Do you have any question? Not Facebook actually, WhatsApp contacts and friends.